Repair damaged NSF files using Stellar Phoenix Lotus Notes Recovery. Complete review about Stellar Phoenix Lotus Notes Recovery. In these days, Lotus Notes is a popular email client program. It provides email-related functionalities. With the help of this program, users easily manage their various mailbox components. In some cases, there is corruption issue in NSF file. It turns your vital data in unreadable form. Then, your data gets crashed and inaccessible due to several reasons. Here, Stellar Phoenix Lotus Notes Recovery is a good choice used for repairing damaged NSF files. This strong utility will use robust algorithm to reduce the corruption level of NSF databases. After finishing its repairing process, it saves all lost items at specified disk. It initiates repair process to extract various corrupted NSF items to a latest notes application. Using this tool, you can easily retrieve the Lotus Notes from backup. It has inbuilt features which scans the damaged NSF files. It facilitates NSF search option for searching deleted mail items from any location of system. It allows you to save repaired files at your specific location of PC. Key features of Stellar Phoenix Lotus Notes Recovery. Used to save the repaired email items into latest NSF format. It uses advanced algorithm to restore lost messages, contact details and other email items. It shows the preview of deleted email objects and save them at desired location. This utility is compatible with Win Vista 7 and all versions of Windows OS. It performs instant recovery process for retrieving all mail objects. It has the easy graphical interface. This famous tool is available in demo as well as free versions. It provides search option to locate corrupted NSF items. For more information, visit www.freesoftbooks.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, subscribe and share.